Alright guys, so we are finally back at Busch Gardens Tampa. It's been since September, I know, but we're going to be doing an Iron Gwazi construction update and see what else is inside the park, so let's get going.
Alright, so a lot has changed just in the few short months. A lot of the queue structure is pretty much done at this point. A lot of the painting work is done. A lot has been cleared out. This whole area before was not very well maintained, and all of this behind the fence was basically nothing but weeds, and it all seems to be gone. Also, if we look up here, once this bush gets out of our way, a lot of the stash work is done. The queue is in pretty good shape, and here's just another look at that impressive structure. And at the very top, we can see them getting some wood in. We got a nice little Christmas tree. Looks very nice, very festive. Love it. And work is just very well underway on this thing. And much like Zadra, Iron Gwazi will have an outer bank turn going over the station. This one looks to be even better. I love the one on Lightning Rod, and it's going to be absolutely chock full of airtime. In our last update, we said that this turn was going to have a ton of whip. It's probably actually going to have a lot more positive G's. Now, it doesn't look to be 100% upside down, but if the park's counting it as an inversion, so are we. Now, Steel Vengeance, we need to talk about that for a second, because Steel Vengeance does not exactly look like it goes 90 degrees, even though it does. You can tell at certain angles, but this you can definitely tell. As you can see, I'm zooming in here, and it is, you can tell it goes into the structure a little bit. It looks beyond vertical in person. Over here we can see structure starting to go up for the first turn after the main drop that has been very untouched until now. And then over here we can see they're putting ledgers in for the final spaghetti bowl section of the ride.
So that's going to do it for our Iron Gwazi construction update. That lift hill, that structure is just absolutely insane. Videos and pictures does not do it justice. 2020, this is the #1 ride of next year, without a doubt. I mean, Zadra won this year, Iron Gwazi is winning next year. Anyways, guys, this is Alex from Central Floor Enthusiast checking out.